we're starting a YouTube channel called Will It Porsche. And the concept there is, can you take an old Porsche that's been in a swamp, been in the salt area of the States, can you bring it back to life? It's a car that nobody's ever going to restore anymore. It's too far gone, too expensive to bring back to life, doesn't have original engine, non-numbers matching car, and you say, can you create something out of it, blended it into the VW scene and do something with it. The 66 912 Loop Rat came out so cool, going with the slammed patina look, that we think we can do more builds. So we invite you over to take a look at our YouTube channel, check it out and see what we're going to do. We already got the next build kind of lined up. We're on the hunt for a car. It's going to be super cool. We hope that you join us along the way. Jump over there, subscribe, hit the like, leave us feedback on what we're doing. We're trying to figure out the YouTube thing and how to bring content to you and have fun. Take care.